In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print 11x17 in Bluebeam. If you've ever needed to produce a tabloid-sized print from a PDF, this walkthrough will make it quick and straightforward. Before we begin, make sure your printer actually supports 11x17, sometimes called tabloid. If you don't see that size later, it usually means the printer or its driver doesn't offer it, or the paper isn't loaded. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once the file is on screen, we'll bring up the print options. You can go to the File menu and choose Print, or use the shortcut Ctrl+P. Both paths open the same print dialog, which is where all the important settings live. First, pick the printer you want to use from the printer dropdown. If you have more than one device, choose the one that can handle 11x17. This selection controls which paper sizes are available, so it's important to get it right before you change anything else. Next, look for the paper size setting and choose 11x17, often labeled tabloid. Selecting the correct paper size ensures the printer expects that larger sheet and lays out your content appropriately. If you don't see 11x17 in the list, double check that you selected the correct printer and confirm that the printer has tabloid paper loaded and supported in its driver. After that, set the orientation. Pick portrait if your content is taller than it is wide, or landscape if it's wider than it is tall. Use the preview pane as a guide. It's a quick way to catch pages that might rotate or clip unexpectedly. Matching the orientation to your content reduces blank margins and helps maintain readable scaling. Now decide whether to check Fit to Page. Turn this on if you want Bluebeam to automatically scale your PDF up or down to fill an 11x17 sheet. This is perfect when your original document is smaller, like letter size, and you need it enlarged, or when it's larger and you need it reduced without cutting off edges. If your PDF was created at 11x17 already, Fit to Page won't change the size, it simply confirms it fills the sheet. If you prefer to print at the file's exact scale and don't want any resizing, leave Fit to Page unchecked. When everything looks right in the preview, printer selected, paper size set to 11x17, the correct orientation, and your Fit to Page choice, click Print. That's it. Your document will print at the tabloid size you selected, ready for review, markup, or presentation.